Hey guys, Shane's Tech is here. This video is I'm going to teach you how to install iSecureOS in your iPhone. This tweak or app will help you to detect if your iPhone is infected with malware. If you usually install third-party tweaks or cracked tweaks, then you are highly vulnerable or prone to the malware. So the first thing you need to do is you need to make sure that your device is jailbroken, and once your device is jailbroken you need to launch Cydia, and then you need to add this source iSecureOS.iDeviceCentral.com/repo/ and then once you added this source, you need to click all packages or utilities, and then you will see the iSecureOS tweak. You need to click on that one, and then you need to install. Once you install this tweak, you can now launch it in the home screen. So we need to launch iSecureOS, and I'm now going to perform the test. It may take a while to finish, but it's already finished. And yeah, let's check the issues in my device. So you need to click that one, and these are the issues that has been found in my device. Security issues, and I don't have the malware. So that's all guys, thank you for watching. As always, stay tuned for more videos, give a like and subscribe to my channel, and peace out.